Alrighty guys, we are back in the shop, and today we are changing the valve cover gasket on the 720. I got my little helper with me. Say hi, buddy. Say hi. And then put the hood prop in. Alright, now let's get to work, shall we? Alright, so we're going to start by pulling these off. Get back in your home. Not even tight. I don't know why there's oil everywhere.
Alright, man.
Alright, now we just need to pull out the old one. There we go. Boop. Look at that. It's all old and hard. If I wanted to right now, I could go and just throw the new gasket in this and call it a day. But we'll see how this cleans up and see if it's just good, if it looks good when it's just clean. If it does, then we might just put it back on. We'll just put it back together without painting it. But if it's all messed up, then we'll go and we'll give it a painting. Oh man, it even has the spark plug instructions. That's pretty sick. I like that. What's up, dude? Don't look at me like that. Why you give me that eye? You got something you want to say? What? Bring it on, fool. What? What? What are you gonna do? Yeah, that's what I thought. Look at that. Oh, it's a little dirty. I'll wipe it off once it's on there. That is way, way better than it was. Alright, let's go and put the new gasket in. Alright, so I got the old half moons out. I'm about to put the new ones in. I just put a tiny bit of RTV on those. I'm going to slide them in their home. There we go. And then this one a little bit. Boop. Don't need too much, just a tiny bit, just to give it a little bit better of a seal. Back here. There we go. Alright, the valve cover is on. Put the new gasket in. And now all we have to do is tighten. Alright, it is put back together. Everything's all tight. I figured I'd stop recording for torquing it down because it's not really too exciting. But that's how you change your valve cover gasket on a Z24 engine. Alright guys, as you can see, the truck is gone. Job well done. And that's how you put on a valve cover gasket on a Z24 engine. So a Nissan hardbody, Nissan 720, anything that has a Z24 engine. So you guys have a good rest of your day and get after it.